Steve, it was such a joy to get to work with you and get PR Famous just a few months ago in February. Tell us a little bit, well, first, what do you do? Tell our audience what you do.
So I'm Steve from Southern Comfort Mechanical, heating and air conditioning. So since we last talked, it was, I think, freezing point with ice and snow. So we had that. Now we've flipped to the other extreme, and we're 100 degrees plus here in Dallas. So it's been busy.
It's been busy. So when you registered for Get PR Famous the Experience, tell us, what were you expecting out of this?
To be honest, I wasn't quite sure what to expect when I signed up. So I'd been doing lots of stuff on the marketing front, trying different things, wasn't quite getting the results that I wanted. So I thought, let's keep changing it up and try something different and add another spoke into the wheel. So that's where I signed up for the PR Famous course to see what it could do to help with the results.
I love that. So see what it could do. Talk about your results in the last few months.
So far since taking the course, whatever, once it warmed up, Mr. Crilly put us out to the media. From then, I've had, I believe, 2 NBC interviews, one here in Dallas, one in Detroit, a couple of radio interviews here one in here, Dallas, Portland radio, and then a New Mexico TV appearance as well.
I love it.
And it could be more, but that's what I remember.
You're getting so much media attention within months.
Yeah.
Right, you're getting so much media attention with months that you can't even remember. So you are definitely getting PR famous. Yeah. And on a personal note, Christina Daves and I, we love and adore you, and we feel so blessed that we've had the opportunity to work with you and continue to work with you. And we are so thrilled to see you getting PR famous, because you truly are the most honest HVAC guy in this country. You're truly remarkable. And thank you for joining me.
Thank you.